if your office heats up by mid-afternoon like mine, which is terrible, and your desk fan just isn't cutting it, I'm going to install this 52-inch smart ceiling fan I got from the brand to test out, and I'm installing it by myself, and let's see how I do. But I think it's pretty beginning friendly, and let's do it together.
My first impression out of the box, it feels really solid, and the black and walnut finish looks way more high-end than I expected. It comes with 5-inch and 10-inch download for different ceiling heights, and according to the listing, it says 30 minutes tops, so I'm timing it myself. Honestly, the step-by-step instructions were very clear, and I didn't need to call anyone for help. So it's up and running. You've got 6 speed levels and a reversible motor, so it pushes air down to cool your summer or circulates warm air in winter. The light is dimmable and shifts from warm glow to a bright white, which is perfect for switching between focus work and winding down. You can control it from the remote, and there is also an app plus the timer settings, so it can turn off from my desk without setting it up.